Hey guys, this is Kevin. Today we're going to take the case of this Epson WF100. This is really compact printer, so it's pretty intimidating when you're trying to take it apart. I like to take off this page holder, or you call it cover, so like halfway close it and like bend it like this. It'll come off easily. Now flip over and find this cover and remove this cover. You'll need a number 0 and a number 1 screwdriver for this. Those bigger screws are removed by number 1 screwdriver. Remove 3 screws, and now you can just slide the waste tank horizontally, and once you go to the end, you can lift it up. You can see the chip cover is loose now. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I got a 20% discount for you at bchtechnology.com, and you can click the link. I think it's here or here. This subscriber discount only valid for 20 hours after releasing this video. So if the coupon doesn't work, it already passed 24 hours. Now get a piece of wax paper. We're gonna remove those 3 covers, and we're gonna put on the wax paper. You don't have to remove the last cover, and I'll just show you what happens if you remove it. It's harder to explain, but if I show you what happens if you remove it, it'll be easier for you to understand. Those are glued by double-sided tapes, so I usually use a razor blade, just dig underneath and just cut horizontally. It'll come off easily. And when you install it, you'll either get some glue or just got double-sided tape. Now I remove the 3 screws from the waste tank, and I remove 3 screws from the bottom plate. Now we're going to remove those 2 feet from the bottom. You're going to see there's only 1 screw underneath those 2 feet. The reason is that screw is holding a metal plate, and that metal plate is connected to that screw I said you don't have to remove. So if you remove both screws, when you open up the case, that metal part is going to fall off. In reality, you can just remove any one of those. However, you have to remove the sticker, the rubber sticker, because that sticker glued both the top and the bottom case. And now I remove both screws. Now we're going to remove this LCD panel. And there are 4 tabs on each side. One is here, another one is here. Let me show you from one that I already took off. And those are the tabs. You simply push them in horizontally, and you can lift up the LCD panel vertically. However, on the side I show you is really hard to get. So I will suggest go to the other side, go from the inside of the printer and push those tabs. When you go from inside, you have to push down that clear belt. Don't damage that clear belt. And you can see the 2 tabs right there, really easy to push. And use another hand to help a little bit. So like moving your hand back and forth to loosen it, and it will come off. In the back, there are 2 FFC cables. Just remember the blue side is up towards the sky. Blue sky, okay? Now bring out your number 0 screwdriver, and we're going to remove those 2 black screws. Remember we mentioned we only need to remove one of the screws here, so pay attention because we remove both screws. And this is the metal piece that hold the 2 plates together, and so now you remove both screws. They're gonna fall out if you turn it over. And there are lots of people cannot figure out where this comes from. And now you can remove the top cover and start working on the printer. When you put the top cover back, and this is the hole, use the leftmost hole for both cables. And remember, for both FFC cables, the blue side is towards sky, so blue sky. And you don't need special tools, just use a finger and insert them. Make sure they go flat, and then push the whole LCD panel down. When you put the top case back, don't worry about this piece dangling. It's not secured by the case. It's kind of sandwiched between the top and bottom case. And this metal piece, one side have one hole, another have two holes. So for the bottom, the bigger hole towards your left, and the smaller hole towards your right, and just slide underneath this really long slot. There are two kinds of screws. We're going to use this called a machine screw. You can see the thread is a lot finer, and the machine screw is used for something secure to the metal. So both screws on this metal piece are machine screws. Remember, it has a finer thread. And remember, this thing has to come through, and just use your hand to hold it, or just get a plier, just hold it and drop the case down, and the thing gonna come through. Now we put 3 screws back. Don't remember the metal piece need a machine screw, and use a 0 screwdriver to put those 2 black screws back, and 3 screws for the waste tank, and put all the stickers back. Then insert the waste tank cover. And you can see this piece just fine after you put the top and bottom piece together. Look good. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at www.bchtechnology.com or locally at Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.